We dey salute una for outside the country people them. Plenty glad for meet up una. This other PG News debate for inside the week. Country plenty thing dey happen for the week. We'll just the finish am. You go remember say people them for Nachigal Dam they dey work for day and they dey also continue for cry. Say may they make them things they work out for the way they dey work. They also dey outside they dey cry. We go talk that one this PG News debate. Country people them. Na so too we go take una enter for different thing. We take una go for La toll gate, country people them, and for that side we go surely the turn back on top that problem for inside La toll gate wey na Wowo road. It dey cause plenty confusion. Na so too we go enter for inside these three boys the way they catch them for the week. Wey they talk say they be na people there they dey do Illuminati work for inside we country. Inside the same chapter, country people them, Palava for Norwest and Southwest. We no go forget for talk on top and opening for National Assembly plus Senate this week. Country people them, we go look inside all that chapter. The challenges them just now where it go the pass for inside with National Assembly. So country people them, now just some of the things them that we go try for talk inside the PG News debate for this day and for talk with we get Oga Hashimu Adamu. I salute you.
Yes, Ambassador, good afternoon. And I salute all man who know me and he watch me presently. Me they sit fine, would make good story.
Alright, we get Oga Kwe Nathaniel. I hope so I don't call the name fine. Kwe, I salute you too.
Yeah, thank you so much, Ambassador. You don't call that name fine. I want for take this time for salute all man where he did for Corner Television for here to read the pass.
Okay, now meet number two appeal stranger than that for this afternoon. Kwe, it just enter now we new person, so they glad so maybe more plenty time. We'll go to get it, but we'll go try for start with Kwe Nathaniel when I be the new person for here. Kwe, maybe you tell us more with the top problem for Southwest and Northwest. You come up for Sideway things and there be the shakes on half time even as you don't can decide for Douala here.
Yeah, thank you so much, Ambassador. I want for first of all talk say. If you see me for here today, now because of the crisis. If the crisis is not for day, I for day for place where they call and say okay inside the Northwest because now for day we are come out. And I want to say inside this crisis, now thing way they give for really check thing where they could do them. Because Ambassador, if you go for that side then for Northwest and Southwest, because of the time when we just talk for here so we don't know what they pass. Now time we don't enter for that village and the civil so they don't understand what and which kind of place that. People don't die plenty, they don't burn houses then. Already they suffer and suffer. It is also you know that the next minute, now wait if it happen for you, for a place where you did. And as they talk say when two elephants they fight, now grass it does also suffer. Because you look at yourself and say plenty civilians and they don't die for nothing. They don't burn their houses them, we don't not be part. So the only thing we talk and say as we day for here, we talk plenty for this country. If I see me, they look to the video immediately, make this thing end because Penova saw plenty Ambassador.
Alright, Kwe Nathaniel and just for Sabi, even as we turn for it will be na Toriman for Oku, but just for sake as a place in Otana fine. Ivamus, Idena for inside Douala just now. So the talk with the Tori for corner side before we enter for the true one we'll get the one that we deal with the image. We go start with this palava for Corona, where we hear say just now inside the week we pass. For Konsamba, we get one doctor or nurse where die and more than 200 people them where they don't test them positive. Chief Dr. Joseph Diongute, when a prime minister for country after we come up for interministerial dongamen on Friday, he don't talk say make ministry for public health, ministry for sick people. He see as well they go continue for test Cameroonian them and for look as well they fit treat them quick before Iwowo. On top the same chapter, minister where the lookout road, Jean-Ernest Masinangale Bibe, when I the lookout as well motor that the tonton for roads, it don't pass some other where it talk say motor them they no get for overload. Any driver where they catch them where you overload, they go take a license, then they go give back after some time. If they notice and say the driver is also thrown it, they go last take a license, they no go ever give them back. And then they talk to say even the people the way they put them for inside the overload. One time when they meet up them for motor, they go drag them comot am inside the motor as we minister don talk am. And for sure example for people them to say they get for make test, minister wey the local college book Ma Paulina Lova Lyonga on Friday ESSF he do test, he do his own corona test for before school picking them for that side for here when they for talk for them say oh man he get for do it test for talk say no be na say they only talk them too they get for do am. Oga Ashimu, this corona it don't come again for some kind of way people them now so they fear. People there they get hurt, they fear. One day they check say na just play, they know the fear. And you on our own school, how the thing they go? We services on half time maybe being a small war for year for Douala 1 and city mayor and even the SDO where they talk say mayor no be get right for lock school.
Yes, Ambassador. This problem for corona at one time it will be like say you don't code. So people they don't neglect and they don't forget now they begin they know they still control themselves. They know take that barrier measures. They how the government we talk. You know, Prime Minister we don't give you plenty thing them for do. For the wash hand with soap regularly, for flowing whatever the flow, for the put this face mask, and then even for cup for your elbow, flex elbow. Then distance no begin join with people them. Me stay far from begin them from other people them. So but we as a teacher I take my own situation like for school. Formally we don't sensitize Pekin. We don't tell Pekin them say that thing they son not true thing. People they know, they even take up their parents and when they still it down. First time they be taken like play, but you don't come back now strong. We hear the number of people where they be infected this time, will be very very high, be alarming. So with the struggle too, with the sensitize, you know, teacher, we help parents and Pekin them. We tell them say people didn't take that barrier measures the way Prime Minister don't talk more take seriously. So nothing now we do now presently.
Now plenty people they ask, plenty people then some school for thought they talk say if the team want go for up now so some that the one blame saying and governor no really turn up on top the first talk we talk say after we talk the first talk after it just she don't quiet people they check say maybe the team no day again now when they don't wake up again talk people they check say now just politics with the one plan.
Yes, Ambassador. I remember after they be locked even the bar and where they sell from 6 p.m. But within a very short time they still open that places them. So when people they just start to feel like say na politics, let's say that 6 days should not be true. And people they complain say man take any sick go hospital they talk say na corona. Where even if you don't get corona they talk say you get na corona. At people they talk. But how you talk, government too don't relax small. I think see how a government don't come back strong. Me they struggle for the control too. Me they make sure say any place get wash a point where they wash hand for day. And then me they control me people at least where they control they find public places them like for school, like for churches, like for mosque, like for market. Me they know how they feel begin control people them. That's it, yeah.
All right, Ogakwe Nathaniel, this problem for corona, it don't come again plenty. If you see governor don't wake up again, they start talk. It means say the thing don't really hook them for some side, but who really get for blame? Now we will not be responsible for ourselves on governor waste on half time. It turn up, it talk, it start do action, then it should done, or now we will not be responsible.
Well, Ambassador, thank you very much. The first thing I will talk on for say this issue coronavirus they so. Na true thing. First of all, plenty people they never accept that they talk that sick days not a lie. Now so it they that sick it they true. Where any man he gets for first of all take care for himself. For talk about government, I'm not saying they be really serious for the thing they talk about this coronavirus. Look at last time Prime Minister come out, he begin talk say all man gave us start respect back all that measures then. At the state for village from Dopasi, I don't come out pass inside market flop. No man no wear face masks. I don't pass for police. Police and they put work over their front. No man no wear them. So the talk for government say when they give instructions so for their people them, maybe they try to get into the field for say and say all man they respect them. Yeah. The way they be move this thing first time people respect them. Now so Ambassador I want to say if you go for Suriname now so it they people don't care. But all of it talk for our people and I say if this is your life now for you. If I say look at yourself first because you don't get sick you'll die. Other people continue to live where you don't die. So many man take care for yourself, wash your hand, avoid that kind of public gathering them, make sure you wear your face mask fine, and all things you go there fine.
Now, Grat Tangowe na be the big man for governor them, SDO and DO. Inside the week we pass, it be sign book for us make governor then turn back for field, SDO then turn back for field, DO them too for follow up. You just talk something concerning police people them, where maybe some of them too they need to wear them.
They know they wear them. I don't pass for corner police station and they two before race for air. They know they wear them. And they pass inside civilian, they don't wear them. And we dey expect say inside our country, we get police now saying that they help government for handle issues them for with civilian them. So when they don't sit down for when they give instructions, so now police now inside village them, inside town them, they give a follow because they outside. If they pass, you know what wear face my police man not be ask anything because he says anything wear them. How you gonna ask me for wear something when you know they wear them? They give a first be like example for we. So the government not really neglect the thing over. People just they choke outside. I talk say this sick with the true ambassador. That's how they talk for the country. Over don't die. Over don't die. Because he pass for market city, we put them flop. Even if they say motor respect all the thing, enter for taxi now it flop all place. People don't get time. So now when I don't make and people start for talk say sometimes they signal day. Yeah, now you make them sometimes they signal day. But when that's what talk say they sick a day. And whether government talk or government not talk, take care for yourself.
First.
Take care of yourself first.
Your scheme first. I know we wait for talk say government don't talk say or government never talk say they know they do know nothing. Now your scheme for say if you stop for diet, if you stop for breed today, no be na some member from government he go talk say now he make them well. And so for this corona we get this other talk with this other confusion inside the week. We plenty people they talk. We get this AstraZeneca injection where they use them. Plenty country that they use them for outside country when an injection for coronavirus. We sabi say the last time we Chief Dr. Joseph Jongu take come out talk 2 weeks today, he be talk say Cameroon he go get that AstraZeneca injection for corona sick people them. Inside the week we just finish, country them like Denmark and other big country they don't use the same that vaccine. They stop for use them for sick as say they talk say they don't notice and say when they chook person that vaccine, that person the blood it the tight for inside. If you talk say na blood clot, so they don't stop them. They say they want lend the thing again before they start for use them. But inside the week since we own country will be already start plan for bringing the same vaccine. Minister for sick people Oga Manauda Malashi he be quickly go meet up scientific council and other big people that they get eye on top the chapter and the conclusion will be na say waiting say other country they also continue for use them and even for Africa so automatic it they good for we now. Some people they talk say okay if una want bring them make una start choke and so that we too the see them after some time then we follow for back.
Ambassador, I laugh because if you enter inside quarter and hear the way people when they talk about this vaccine, you know that thing where they never take up. No matter what they talk and I pray talk inside quarter. I guess some man never don't tell me say if I say me take that medicine, better than I say me the key. Yes, that means if I say me take that medicine, better than I say me the kill it. People then be very discouraged about this issue of vaccine because they don't start here about Denmark to talk so say it gets some effect for body. And when you work at all side, I don't hear no one man where he say he be willing to take that medicine. Even though minister for sick people them, if we don't talk say they so he go take and time don't come. Yes. When they start taking some time, maybe then see how we day. So the issue they say worry.
Yeah, you get country then like Senegal, country them like even Ghana, we their president now them start for take the vaccine and they show them for public, say them too they take the vaccine. If we get for see one of the title them for the post weekender to be the ask question, say if the injection they come, Kunkuma to go take them for sure example for population. That injection we they under plenty talk just now.
Yes, Ambassador, how my brother don't talk for the kind impression then the kind idea where people they get them for quarter. A terrible idea. No man know they accept say if you even take the vaccination that vaccine. Because people they talk saying politics because they be say corona don't go down. Then they start they say the corona don't come back strong. So people they defeat say they don't talk that strong corona because they want say people didn't take vaccine. And if they want take if they want start that vaccine, me they start with that big people themselves will see whether not true. When they want to take them before and then me they try to sensitize people them very well. Otherwise plenty people they not go take that vaccine. And you know, say for West Africa, like these countries, then like Ghana, let's say Senegal and Ghana, I think the rate of corruption for that area, you know, be like for Central Africa. We for Central Africa, Cameroon be a very corrupt country, and people they don't get confidence even for we leaders for Cameroon here. If Ghana they don't start, I think say people they get confidence for their government, and then Senegal. And we don't overlose confidence for the government for here. So if government wants to take that vaccine, they make sure say they don't sensitize people them very well. Before they take out.
And Chief Dr. Joseph Jongu Tebi talks say when the vaccine go come, he finds say make all man he take no be na by force, but e find say make all man e take am, they no put by force for this. So at the quote wetin wey Prime Minister be talk am, and for sake of this corona, we dey hear say for that side for Boya on Friday inside the week, someone government primary school, mami dem run come for school say they wan can take their pikin dem, wey Kongosai e enter for their ear say they wan come chook pikin dem injection for corona. And so for this corona, we sabi say on for Sunday number 14 day for inside this very moment day for inside in a day wey young Presbyterian they go meet up for their different rally them. Moderator too for Presbyterian Church, e dey talk now say make all the people them, the teacher them, whether they organize this rally them for this young Presbyterian them, may they happen this rally for open place, may they put bucket them for wash and all time, may they put hand sanitizer, mommy and papa, before you are picking come out for this YP rally, give a mask for sick say corona e dey for outside. Now I did that. Now they talk that way. Right, Reverend Funky Samuel. He don't give them for outside for all people. Then now we go enter small too for inside SDF matter. Manadin, maybe we go start to turn back for here. We'll never finish. SDF matter. We hear saying this Saturday we SDF them too. They get their neck. Now National Executive Committee meeting and. The change that they expect for see change, we get OC Joshua and Jean-Michel Ninche, Honorable OC and Honorable Jean-Michel Ninche, we the 1B, the next person for she done on top chair, we need John Frundi, he go level. Now, when you look this party, if na you there for that vote, who you check say if it's she done and if she don't find on top that chair for SDF?
Yes, Ambassador. Excuse me.
Okay.
Yeah, if we want to look about SDF, we know say Honorable OC Joshua and Ninche, now the way they don't work for SDF for long, and we get confident for that two people there. They get a lot of population where they support them. But if not me, if I want to choose, I go likely choose person who will be more bilingual for them. Who will know among them someone the way they talk French and English. You don't even know whether they be an Anglophone or Francophone.
And so you indirectly tell me say now OC.
That OC, yes, really, I really support that OC because of language too.
Okay, but for action.
Yes, even for action too, I support it.
All right, Queen Nathaniel, like this neck meeting we go the whole for Yawinde. Ni John Frundi don't talk say one leave chair for young people them. Now example for good leader, he get for level for people them. Now OC, Honorable OC and Honorable Jean-Michel Ninche na them, where they on top that chair for see. If na you, who fits she done for that position?
Well, Ambassador, I want to start for talk say, Partner John Frundi, if he don't take a very good step, and he show example for inside this our country Cameroon. He don't tell we say, if I say we don't reach some kind of age, me send power for people to see they strong. Would they feel get good ideas, fresh ideas, and we move the country, go ahead. I want first talk say, fine things we do and we all man. Some people talk say, no, we don't do fine. And other people give a copy for doing the year. For the talk about the two people inside SDF party, where they want for head the party, I just say, this man they call and say Joshua OC, as I start following since for 2018 presidential election, the man when listen the way they talk, he plans them. He says the man will get better ideas than way they feel the whole country fine. And the thing say he be in the hands of SDF and not being a politician. So now they know how their house they, so they know the right person to choose them. Okay. And now we they only talk to them that they choose people when they feel change this country, because all we need and I say me change day, me peace day. Me we should not sleep for your house, so sleep so they no say next time you go begin go work with something. No worry you.
All right. Okay, we just say wait if that decision, that order, it go come out now this Saturday or maybe another one. We just stay wait, but Sabi say all people that here, it go be for your window as we neck, it go dey happen. Make we take una enter for some of the image that we'll get inside the week, and we go start for Yawinde, just 61 kilometers away from Yawinde. Now for the way that Nachikal Dam, it day. On Tuesday, breaking Wednesday, that work people them for inside Nachikal Dam, they be lost generator. They talk say since the big people them, the people there they get the project, they don't want hear which way they talk. Better make them to they sleep for inside dark, and so too they go off generator and they check say waiting. Them too they go sleep only for the workplace. Normal for day they get for sleep. There is talk say they go sleep for day. For see as well the people they go manage sleep with the heat. And since they been a white man, they be run come on go them for Yawende for their air conditioners hotel them. Now for them they go sleep after when the work people they decide for sleep for outside. Sabi say the work people them they start their work for vex on Monday after when they talk say February pass. Promise when they be promise them for inside their salary chapter. They no be fit for meet up and when they want talk the company big people them they no be fit for do no nothing, so they be lost light inside the workplace. They sleep for the workplace as well the project people them, the big people them where they look at the work, they run go for Yawende, they go sleep, they spend their first night for outside. So now just so it in be pass for inside workplace for Nachigal. For the Yawende side, as we talk, now 61 kilometers for Komo Yawende. You reach for the Sona village where they for outskirts for that side, so for Yawende. With this work, it happen and Sabi say they work for day. Now for say make they give you more current for the country. But when this kind of thing they dance, they go for up. It been a trouble. And just for Sabi country people them, so for on top this natural work people them on inside the week. That one on Friday already. After we they be called them for when they ride for A2D for say they want hold Dongamen for put problem to an end last. Nothing no be come up for Yawende and work it also continue for stop. Sabi say one of the thing them when they work with the ask am na simple thing, better our condition, then we go work. We no go get no nothing. Nathaniel, these people them for Nachigal Dam, we sabi say if that work is finish, Cameroon, it go get plenty place away if you get power. Memvelede for one end, the Nachigal to another place where they suspect, they expect, say current go come back. When the work people they ask for better work condition, then they deny forgive them. What you get for do?
I want to talk to that one ambassador will be very bad. You know, say when you go any morning time, they come out for house. Maybe you get a wife, you get picking them for school. They expect say when you don't come back for house, at least they feel chop. If you pay a house, if you pay picking a school fee, if you go for hospital when you're sick. But then we don't start the work. We condition not be fine. Maybe you get for you don't get money, they don't pay you. You know if you work, you know if you work first or empty belly. So when you look this struggle with the happen, so I think the people then truly they want to say make the better up their conditions them. And then we want for talk say for all the people that they control the work. Electricity is not going to play with them. Because that's something will be linked to so many things them inside society. If like no day we know what day for here now. If like no day they know grand for you cook and chop. Like the hell of a plenty thing them. So nothing that when they take and they don't give a joke. What did it happen? When they want to start contract, they want to sign money and so money day. So we side the money day. That means they control no day. We said that other people they get into the field for check the work. So if you don't talk say me they wake up quick, they find out way to be the work as their problem, arrange them. May they finish and more get that because we know if they will like no day.
Now this work people them the first time when they start strike for ending January, they be the talk say they want 64% increase for their salary. On top of that one, we hear say the contractor, the big man, he talks say lie, he no fit come Cameroon, he can't share money. So they be get small crisis in Dongamen. For that crisis in Dongamen we pass, they be agree, say okay, we no go get that 64% increase of salary, but we need bonus. They be agree say they go give them bonus for side with the Dishidon house. They will give them bonus for if they know well, and they'll give them bonus too for the kind dirty way they dirty their skin. But February can pass, they no see none of that bonus them when until they sign up for book. So now the thing that we make them they work again for outside.
They give for worker. Now so our country they be say sometimes people they give for shows they be stubborn before they do some kind of thing. No fine ambassador. Now very bad thing that one person they work you give for make and say it they fine. I don't just tell you say no you go away, never chop. They give for better up their conditions them. And if I say me what big people avoid for the talk something only for mob or only for paper. When they talk something, they make sure they follow them up. If they promise they follow, you know for simple and commercial they don't want work. And when they make and so what country they go na back, you know they go na front. We're not fine. We just remember the same place, not being a fine thing. So me they go check with it be their problem. Arrange ultimate, me they not only turn and talk. When you talk for your mob, right on paper you go practical, you go for action. That's what one time so.
Small thing.
Yes.
Yeah, I think I want to add now say DP they ask 64%.
64%
yes.
So it means say one person get for earn around that kind 350,000.
Yes.
And because you like say for now, no person know the way they earn that kind of amount of money for the kind hard work where they do.
Yeah, considering they can't sacrifice where they do and the hard work where they do, and many of them probably know with their village, they don't come from distant places, then can't stay for that place. So if we beg that company, say if you know if you give them even 60, forgive them even 32%, or give them even half, at least for just boost them up, me they be happy. Sometimes they go work. I have my brother on to electricity day, so where electricity day for place and development. We oversuffer for electricity anytime we get blackout. They cut electricity. I should say if you work very fast, they develop that Nactica dam. Yes, we will get more electricity and probably say if we export say electricity for other countries, then we will get plenty money for Cameroon. So me no be thing for play. Electricity no be thing for play. Me government try, me they do something.
Okay, and another chapter will enter for this afternoon for inside the PG News debate. Now this National Road number 5 and the problem now for place where they call them say Lala Target, it for on top National Road number 5, yes, and now for the way you two be try for see. Then the time we say they can away motor them they turn up for long line when you want reach for that Lala Target. Now lock mob whether now for daytime, now for evening time, anytime where the pass or the place. Motor they ever turn up for long line. Some they feel even she don't sell for day for more than 2 hours. And now for Sika waiting, they talk say they so road for this toll gate. They take 500 all time for the toll gate, but the roads now lock up. Now it means say even social distance. You know they for motor they come corner so the time no day. Whether now for night we reach or the way you check say maybe for night place it go do empty. The road is also tight. Daytime now the same. Plenty of the driver them they cry, they ask questions say why it dey so for place where they even make money. They no fit for make the road say make the road dey fine. They make and say make people them only come suffer. Now they know that for toll gates wey for the past years they don't take plenty money for motor them driver the way they pass whether na private or na business motor. The same roads all people they pass but they never fit for fix am. The people them where they waka for the road, particularly the people that they pay that toll gate money all day, they beg down a beg for say waiting make governor you see what we go do for this Lala toll gate. It then for National Road number 5 and service for Sika the road self even motor them as well talk social distance no day motor they crash another one when another person can crash another motor it go turn be to na way place where they go cry motor them to they spoil and when two motor they crash driver they come out sabi say that one to on another traffic where you dey cause am for on top the place so the road now the main problem for that Lala toll gate you see and say for here na two motor they die they don't crash that man don't come out for outside for car attack place he must to turn up for one place so people they beg na beg toll gate money who side e go we sabi say governor the plan for make automatic toll gate but if this normal manual own money say wey dey comot for day people then they know the fee for see they use for the money for just for the place people they don't dey ask question whether the automatic toll gate when they go put money e go be na one way they go use am for fixed road one time na toll gate be that wey they take money but trouble dey plenty trouble.
Yes, Ambassador, first of all I would like to thank Equinox for the good work we want to do. Because in most cases, when I don't show things like this, probably go that for the way government understand say that situation be serious. So with the tank on a plenty and with the pray, say how would I don't show that situation so the government do something. They get money for the who said the money to go. We then use that money for fix that road. When people they be blocked for inside traffic, plenty people when are government workers, plenty they when are business people. So they disturb the whole country. So all things they go back. So me then try for fix that road. Now the only thing about it, me then fix. Me then try at least for do something for that road. Especially how Equinox don't show them. So me then do something. Me then fix that road.
Thank you so much. Just for Adam, how my brother don't talk for day. You see, road now one of the most important things inside the country, and again for being a top priority for government for CC they arrange them, make it they fine. When you look at road, you don't show now, so you see and say, if sick person be there inside motor, when an emergency case, that means if he die. Plenty people, yes.
Even ambulance.
Just see the way they enter for that problem, so you shake sick man so. If he die, now really something will be very pitiful and we find say, make government will call for up, they check how to arrange the road. We don't want to say that when they collect that money for target, when man collect that they put and direct for a pocket go chop for a house, or na how? Because they don't collect that money for a long time. But see the way road day, people in the system so suffer. But when you know if you pass, we don't give money. Ambassador, when you pass that kind of place, so the first thing I say you give money, you pass. But they never use the money for arrange the road, they fine. So now emergency thing we find say, me they arrange the road, me pay them begin pass fine. when they make us so they delay their business, they delay in the way, no fine. So me they check for see how they fit arrange that road. I just want add and two, as my brother talk say, when I do find work because I don't show plenty so they change. So we hope that when I don't show to the one, may they also go for up the and say they do something.
Now, how you check for this automatic target thing where minister don't promise it go be for plenty town them on automatic target. I know sabi how we go the work, but it go be na one way maybe before you one pass you will do something where money go enter direct for bank for governor. No, na say enter for person equal.
Well, for that system for automatic target, me I never really understand the way we get for function, and if na say na something if it bring improvements, then all we could encourage them so that money may not pass now for through some man, because if they say some people when they collect and so they collect 5,000, they cut their own put them for back pocket, take the rest go give them for government.
Since camera no dey for
since camera no dey
see how many money
man no dey see you.
so one day.
So yes. some man even come say they say they pay now 500. He say he give you 300. He leave and go. So for control for that way na good initiative government want take am. If they put that one way they fit control, especially the issue money, collect money fine, fix road. Me all man they find no that one a good idea.
Yes, Tiwa go add that say if they want put that automatic point, they put plenty points there for avoid that traffic where we will see them. So, and I think say it go be faster because man no go need change. This problem of change will the step. Most drivers they hold like 10,000 because they know say change the old speed for that area. Maybe they give you 9,500. But when you if it be automatic, maybe you must give at least the real amount where they like them. You just can't put them just pass. I think say it go be a good thing.
All right, we go come out for this problem for roads. We enter for problem for unemployment. Why are the talk so? Still a problem with people they no get work. Inside the week, gendarme people them too they be catch some 3 young boys them. Now young boys they were automatic. If they forget work, maybe they know for do thing where they do Now them 3 that we gendarme people be catch them for hotel in day where they be one buy motor and they become with 6 million cash. After when gendarme people they take them, they go ask them question. All them they agree say they so one the person where they read he say they do it in Illuminati and the knack machine for make money. The person where behold that 6 million where be get for can buy the motor. He talks in a small brother for outside country give the money say make it buy that motor, but it to the knack machine and the other person they be did them 3 even you two agree say the knack machine and one person he talks say why he did do that work now for Sika say waiting for Sika say he don't finish school. He no get work, so now the only way that we be use them for chop is small chop where he get them all day. And Sabi say how they demand work the team for online. They say the person where go be a customer, he get for send naked picture for them. Then they go promise he say he go make plenty money. When you pay the first round, then you no pay all the money. Now that photo where he send away they naked, where they go use them, start make you open eye for social media. Now just so where they talk, they be go for the house or go search whether they fit see other thing them. They no be fit for see them. But as well they talk, they for back counter with the here. The commander where he did for this 2nd region gendarmerie office for Douala here. He said time when they go and show the boy them plenty people them even some big people them from governor they become for can talk say make they no show and they talk say no say the one war example and they want show so that the other people them where they did knack machine for outside them too they go learn and they go surely stop if they want for stop. So Oga Hashimu 3 young boys them we they for be better people them for Cameroon they be first for next stick get their own money for some kind of way.
Yes, Ambassador, when you look at it, they have some very handsome boy them, where maybe they be well educated too. So we blame government to maybe you know provide them enough chances for get employment. Maybe not because they don't get job for do. So we call on government to maybe they try begin the maybe create jobs for employ our youths and maybe they orientate them too because the current educational system will get them to get problem too. Most of the time when they go graduate, if you even create job by yourself too. Because if government if employ you, we try employ yourself. But they try they maybe modify our educational system. And then this thing where the boy them do, mostly now university graduates who one realize because intelligent people they do the kind of work. And then at the salute the gendarmerie too for the good work they don't do. Because you want go buy a motor, how the body knows that man you want no be clean people then. So they don't make their investigation, they don't do fine work. If they continue to do that thing, probably they feel reduce the number of people the way they do the kind of bad work.
I believe say the gendarme man, the commander for the two, they get for give pass mark for seeker. We no go call the person, the big person in name for inside that ngomna we he call for intervene. See me the level because even that boy they say they call it direct. He pick the phone. Time when he dey so they want show them, but the gendarme big man to say no. He no go fit. Say if they like, may they do anything. Say they must to show them. Nathaniel na walkway with sabi over. Plenty people they do the work. They did not machine. But again, 500,000 work, we never see them, and people they ask question.
Well, thank you, Ambassador. The first thing we feel to say, we feel criticize the acts the way the body they do them. As sounds the way they strongly them, so now very healthy boys them, you know, they sick. I think say even for do even odd jobs to survive. Because survive them what things say if you use sense for chop tune on your own. When you chop tune on your own, no say one day you must pay. And then secondly, we want for talk say this issue of criminality for inside our country, there's a way government give for do something. Where they give for do we give for employ the youth. Ambassador, last time they don't talk say they want to recruit teachers them for primary for basic education for inside Cameroon. For inside the whole of $SO. Now 4,500 people don't register for right. And inside that 4,500 need only 100.
Yes. Right.
I say for the whole of dollar, we said the rest will go.
Literal.
And inside that one where they say now 4,100 days so they want to take from 2015 backward. That means if you don't graduate inside 2016, 17, 18, 19, your time you don't even know when your time will come. So when boys they don't come more school, so they don't get fine for do. They hungry, they find for chop. So if I say make government be serious, try to create more jobs. Where they begin and feed one. Because I believe say if you go some place where they work, so you don't for some small office or they for some small place they work, you know get time say if you take for do bad thing. Because they say idleness is a devil's workshop. That one be true. Because once you don't know do anything so be hungry do you more chop. You get for check sense. So they check sense and say the best way they do now for thief or for use machine for get money. But that one na very bad idea. We talk say if you dey strong boy health as they so. If I say if you hustle for yourself, not thief. If you employ yourself, even for do small business or find some small man work for any kind of side company then they around, go cry for they say they so I don't come out school. I don't get go for do one. Even they pay small money from there if you get big one. So we talk say that one a very bad thing. Return the force of law. We don't catch them. We don't say sometimes they used to catch and so. Now fancy but they don't leave them. Because plenty time and they when they catch and so after they hear say the big man don't talk so they go. So we congratulate them how we don't catch the thief with them. May they wipe them, maybe they begin to live their life fine.
Now, the question, if I want to continue on top this matter as we Oga Ashimu be talk, he talk palava for the education system. You sure say it means say maybe now we get for encourage more for people there for technical side, past general or how?
Yes, I want to say me as a day so me I not attend technical. I go na grammar. And it don't make a regret sometime in my life. Because time one reach for $, if I be end technical now only for Form 4, I for they fine. Or if you come out technical only for Form 4, you pass person we don't get even advanced level for grammar. If you build house, if you fix clothes, if you fix motor, that kind of thing and so. But you look and see and say they need to take that technical education very serious for our country. Most of this technical education them for school them for our country, they way when you go there, nothing will go practical. At time they only sing that theory. That means that the real technical school they went enter they give a sim machine them. Because begin they give for hear something for inside class, they go for practical for doing. So one to say government fit turn look at that side for technical education. Look out and find. Because begin come up for day. If you go to that mission you like them. Because for $, they find technician them for big house outside. They find man for fix light for house outside. They find man for fix motor outside. So they encourage them, so they try for science, they encourage that technical education. But they don't neglect grammar too because all be important.
Yeah, all be important and Usabi say sometime we Ma Paulina Lovalionga, when a minister for college book become Douala some year back, when he be go for government technical school Kumasi, he be cry, say machine they no even they say picking the fuse and learn work and Usabi how they place they now. If you fall for the same role, say may they give 50-50. For the general and technical education?
Yes, because presently, Ambassador, if we want to evaluate the percentage, it be like say the technical they use about 20%, and then grammar to take about 80.
Yeah.
But if they feel make them say 50-50, if over 5, me as a teacher, I always encourage picking them for do technical education. But unfortunately, at the higher level, most technicals they end only after A levels,
Yes.
after back. Then because they don't get higher institution for the technical section for Cameroon, the government to try for open up technical universities too. The technical department, even for our universities here, where you go help them. Some of them they be forced to go out of the country for go continue, and technical education too get value out of the country, like for Europe. So most people they do technical education, when they go that side, they succeed more than those of us who don't do na grammar. So they encourage technical education. Then for Kumasi, how we talk. They say technique Kumasi na I think na the highest technical government school for Douala here. Yeah,
but like Ombe.
Yes, like Ombe for Southwest. So if we lack material for Douala here, then a very serious thing. And where they don't allow the machine, they don't spoil. And I'm saying, fine, me they try maintain those machine them for day. Or if they don't spoil, me they buy other machine them, me they put them for day. Because we the count on that beginning, they come on for that technical school for Kumasi here.
Yeah, because we get even some technical school there, they just get the name technical.
Yeah.
But team them for do practicals.
You need time for school ambassador. Not be surprised say begin to learn about computer for class. But you never see computer.
Yes.
And computer, until we learn about computer, that means until you give us Siam, see they pass them. Begin to say keyboard day. You know, it's only one day, monitor day. But if you go for front the computer, they say, okay, go show monitor. Sometimes they begin to show them. Before you heading one. So that kind of talk, say, make they try way for encouragement, make they invest for the technical education because I think way if you build this country.
Alright, and some of the boys them too they did knack machine, as so they talk, them too they feel help country too for side for in engineering.
Yeah, when you see for knack machine.
When they overget sense, for knack machine thief more than 1 million, 6 million from people.
Yeah.
They fit do something for the engineering sector for Cameroon.
Yeah, when one hear say boy the knack machine thief money, that machine a boy way illegal head because for use machine convince man thief money not an easy thing. So they get small sense, but not enough for thief, but they not thief.
Alright, we go come out for that chapter. We take una enter for inside problem for Southwest and Northwest, but we go remain for Bamenda. Wednesday, it be then some kind of off day for inside Bamenda. One time, some mami them na market this way gone in the hala, or mami they struggle for taking their mapam, as we gone in the hala, or mami they struggle for taking their own position. Gone a hala from morning, so till around 10, please it turn back to normal. After, from 2 o'clock, it start hala again, as we people them, they boy the way they do with it gone. Then they make competition with uniform people them, who sabi for shoot pass who, inside the town for Bamenda. So now, so Bamenda don't be all this time, as so sabi, and so now, chapter for this problem, people that they ask them, who side will they go on top this problem where this also continue for happen? Congo side enter we say after the shooting. 2 people them they will they fall down for Bamenda for Sika this gun will be happen for day on a Wednesday and the gun it never also continue for stop. But now which way we feel use them for stop this gun way this also continue for hala? Week way just pass. Human Rights Watch it talk all they were watching the way. The boy that was gone, they don't do harm, as well they burn house, as well they catch people them ask some money, as well they keep people them for some kind of way. I will sabi services center for human rights and democracy for inside Africa for Barrister Gobala Felix too. He come out all they were watching the way don't they happen for Cameroon since October, so they March we they come out that report. But who get the blame? Who side the solution? Ide, who side the medicine for cure this thing, when mami they should done for market, they no defeat for even say for 1 hour, na gone, it shake them. Kwen Nathaniel, I will start with you. You will first start for talk. You will come up for Oku, and people there they sabi Oku, you know they easy for Waka, this what they are sure.
You know, true, it really been a difficult thing for Wakago. And when we talk this thing, I think one person feel really cry because it's not easy, ambassador. As I don't tell you first time, when 211 and 5 na grass, it is suffer. When you look at it and say, the boys them they hold their own gun where they protect them. Military they hold their own gun where they protect them. When you come now for mommy, they will sell for market so. No man no get gun. The only way you come for money times you want to go sell maybe or get small thing for chop for house picking them. Gun holla you start go back for house. Sometimes you never sell. Wait till you go chop. So the only thing if you talk and and say people they know over talk this thing. For 4 years. That means inside these 4 years so we all kind man don't talk. They don't talk inside country. They don't talk outside country. That means say no something no day with the one chance they do as meeting finish. For them that don't been a very common thing. In the past when they used to pass, here's a man on that, we smoke and run, I don't know man they go for day. It been a surprising thing. But I don't been a way they pray run the camp pass or corner demand, they not decide something. So when they die, they even not in a bush. So don't be for the way we been they say, we're not being a human being then. If I say more no say human life it be very important. And I don't think say war now a solution to a problem. For fight, it not being a solution to a problem. Me they look at peaceful way then. Where the fish down, they see how people come back, live life as how we be there. Because when you fight, reason how you must end up can talk. You must dialogue. Even a woman they with house with master, they holla finish. Even if they fight, last fight they come she don't talk, say no, I be sorry, na so it day. If you don't reach for the level where they fish she don't, I beg me that she don't because they so now civilians then they suffer plenty. So if I say me they check sense because they think it don't plenty. People don't want to talk. It be very bad thing.
Yeah. Okay, Ambassador, Tiwa go add now say about 2 weeks ago I called a friend from village, say I want go village. Just tell me say from Oku for go reach my village for Lasin, it be about 6 control without the way that boy the way they get gone. And from Bamenda to the village say it don't pass almost 10 control. Their own control, no police control. We want reach for there, they say me put small thing for ground and they verify your ID card. So if you don't know now which control if you be a victim with anything if happen. So for travel for that side be very risky. And force, when would you use force will not solve problem? Because when you get picking them for house, because the government are part for all that boy them too. Mm-hmm. Now pa, when you are picking the fight for house, you talk for picking say me stop picking deny. If you see say anything don't bad, if you keep your own going call that picking for corner. Talk for you like pa. Beg he say please, I don't beg, I don't stop up. Move stop this thing. You like now wait me I give you, me that thing finish. Me the government try for stop this problem. Because also some strike be there for February, I think about 3 or 4 years ago for this country, where people they be strike, that hunger strike. The way the government be stop that, it be stop abruptly, just stop at one time so the thing finish. If government be use that same method, if we don't stop this war, that means the government too, they on their part, they not be willing. If government be really be willing, if we don't stop this thing, we for Northwest and Southwest would suffer, would die. Man get for go for the how my brother don't know if we go see the real thing where they happen for the people they suffer. No business, not the worker. Oh man, they suffer, people they die. But when you day your life be very normal. So they just live here because life be normal and they don't care about we for that side. So me government try at all costs me do something for safe lives them for that side. And me them prevent the gun the way they enter for that side. Because if gun they continue to enter, the war will continue. I don't know play with that boy they get that gun there. Me they make sure say me they stop me that gun and not begin enter for that side. And then when they want probably stop the war, the few one the way they don't already resign. Me they treat them well, me they give them jobs, me they do something, so that me encourage the other boys them when they see them for bush, me they come out too.
Now we get this problem too. They happen for Nwa subdivision. This week we pass, so we talk about people there they decision for Quack village with them to they run their village. Now this one they confusing for Sika, they confuse people them over. For Sika say there's some of the village people that they claim for toxin Fulani them inside the village so that they make a burn house, make people them run their village. Other people they talk say no, now Fulani people there they come out for Nigeria they enter, but people they don't they ask question how Fulani people there they come out different places they go come for disturb different country where they no get no nothing for do for inside that country. Yes,
that's ambassador na people they accuse Fulani people them. That means it be like say when the Fulani people them get problem with the people them for the country people them where they there for that area. Just like reinforcement, they come up from Nigeria. Their own brothers in the way they from Nigeria too. They don't forget help this one because they been a minority. So they don't finish them, they don't kill them, finish them. But thing where they talk now, say if we don't start to accuse one another, so it will be worse than the way they go on now. So we only pray. Say me contribute, they know they accuse that Fulani people them. Me that Fulani people they know they accuse contribute them. Because when you don't start be so genocide ficam, that means they feel collectively kill all Fulani people there for that area. Or Fulani people them feel how they get horses them. They get more equipment for fight. A weapon them. They feel kill the other people them. So me then struggle for solve that problem as fast as possible because now serious matter.
Now this problem from Watu when one problem with they like say she don't quiet, they never talk no nothing on top since.
Yeah, that problem from Wade so it worry. It don't mean because say first we don't really get big problem with the worry. Now this issue Anglophone crisis. Yes. That's when they get the commerce and run and say people know the reason again on how. Big fight day penny so no place to go. Last night they follow up for social media and say people run inside one. You know, you run again the military, then you run again the boys them. You run maybe they are normal pen around with the foreigner as you call them. With that one, no mean a fine thing. Poland they plenty, they don't bring even come Adam. Peace, you are fine. Me that pen on that side, me they try for talk together, the brothers and sisters they arrange, because if they wake up that one again now, so that means say I don't know whether we go now, we don't see the reason again fine on how. And we want to against the authorities for the area. When something start to happen, so if I will take action immediately.
Yes.
Because they say a stitch in time saves nine. That means say if you get small problem, solve them. If you are close on tear small, try wait for handle and wait times a day. Yeah, because you leave them tear plenty. For you for so it will take maybe 5 days, 10 days, and I saw thing go spoil. So when they hear small thing in that area from one so, make they intervene immediately. We get DOs then, we get SDOs then. What did they do? When I don't hear the kind of thing, I enter with them one time when I ask what when I bring them together. When they wait quietly, they happen. So you want here say it don't bad, you know we stop them again. The man on the vex. I know say the thing this way. When don't live for time man don't die, it don't bad. Because when you don't kill my brother, sometimes those are must kill your own. I can't kill your own. You say, kill my own. So they go. You don't kill my friend. So they go. So they go. So the big authorities, when something be so, may they intervene immediately. May they do all that thing for one. See whether they fix stop on the because we don't have a second problem again because they were not first pass way.
That is 1 minute where we want to talk. You don't already talk the problem. That's why we want to say traditional rulers them with the deal them with the governor them for the area. Me they try with like deal the mayor them. Me didn't call them for table. That Fulani people them will contribute with them. Me don't solve that problem. Me no grow big. Me no escalate.
All right. Yeah. Okay, and this week we pass to maybe one of the strong to will be there for most newspaper them too. Where we say so we get eye on top. Now this 26 picking them where the talk say they go take them from Tian division, from Pondo Balwe, Bafaka Balwe, for some village them for that side of Tian, and where they promise them, say that they take them come for their own promised land, when a limbe, and now for them they go come go school, for Sika say for their own village them school in the pass, for Sika the problem where they happen for Norwest and Southwest, but this picking them come, most of them where they take them from Dockyard, for that side of Limbe, they can start doing a boy, for inside Dockyard for mommy them, papa them for that side. So now after some two other women them, they meet up them with picking them where they ask them question they don't fit answer. Now for the way commander for brigade for gendarme where they call him commander Brumesia for inside Limbe 1 subdivision 2. He cash all the picking, he go take all the picking them. If he gather 15, after go gather 11, he bring total to 26. They be fair cash now 8 people them inside that 8, 5 they be say they be they innocent, and of course 6 they be they innocent. Then 2 of them the day where they be suspect them. So now that 2 where they suspect 2 women them where they did for back counter, and the woman they talk say waiting time where they be go take the picking, they no tip them, their papa, their mama, 11 say they come for promised land be there na Limbe, waiting be there for up na school, even as we the hell for us, but they come for Limbe, they instead come for do not some kind of odd work them. Now just some of the backside this for this Kene way they pass for Northwest and Southwest Ogashimu picking them innocent the day. They will go for promised land, but the promised land it can be in Egypt.
Yes, Ambassador. First of all, I want to say the initiative where that woman they be take up, if not for good heart, say they for bring that picking for town. First, they don't take them out for danger area. First of all, a fine thing. Then when how they become for town with the hope, so they go better their life. Unfortunately, they must send them for school because that picking for that age, the only thing if you done for that picking for help me go school. But we will not be happy say they don't take them, they can't be in a boy them for town. But anyway, even if they want to do that boy them for town, it be better than for the state and for that village because they feel kill them for day. But all in all, I say with the beg and they solve that problem. Be that picking and live with their parents them, be they go school. They take only 26. How many picking there for that area? Or that picking they don't get the opportunity to come for town. And they stay for how they don't go school. Yeah, so they that woman them thing where they don't do, I condemn them too because they don't take that picking for come suffer them again. We picking that picking where they be the suffer. You come that's from frying pan to fire. You can put them again for inside suffer. So you know fire and the government don't do fine. But they don't take all that picking them now. So we'll see the next step where government to go take out that picking them.
And that picking them sabi say their new house where they sleep. Then too they don't turn a small picking gendarme them. For say Commander Brumesa. It is sleep them for brigades. It wake out them. They do things them together.
Yes, I want for talk say the initiative for go take the picking inside bush na very good one. If we get people when they act so, they go fine. But the person spoil them for place where you can't talk to small picking them. They begin suffer again, it not been a fine thing. And ambassador, don't see, and so plenty people in the past of back this crisis where they go on for north and south for chop. Even when you look at inside Douala so for every day, plenty of people they come over that side of Bamenda and Saturdays they come for here. They do a match. Sometimes that means the job they really do them. If you want negotiation man pay you job, no they want pay you fine. Because it is chance sometimes you don't get place for go, that kind of thing and so.
Go up Kanda,
you must also do them.
So far you want that money.
Correct. So some work day where they used to pay maybe even 100,000. Man this time Banabere, they don't know play stay. If you tell say you could take 30, if before to take them, because no play for take them, go. So when they only take them for chop, so I want to say we see come back for talk say all the things because the country not they fine. That way country they fine begin, they know they go carry begin and bring our limbe. Because school then they at least for no say for Cameroon here, at least government don't try to create school them. Especially primary and secondary, they plenty of almost all side of village. Me I get more than 20 for my village secondary. So we talk say make they set it in them fine. Then they work I do picking and so. Picking them the group don't come when they understand. When you enter village so see picking them you the PT picking them. All when they know only for play chop. They the group so when they don't be a big man you go do how. Because if you do how you be a small picking. Time go day for your life, go day independent, go day on your own. When I need to buy your clothes, I need to find your chop. So when I tell no reason now, we not get some kind of background knowledge, how you go handle your own life. So we also talk say, oh, now because we get problem inside our country. So me they handle that problem and they will say, it could bring solution to plenty in them, but they go bad. Because the Anglophone crisis don't make them plenty in them, they go bad. All things do despoil. So we are crying and say, me they solve the problem, me they arrange them. May all man live in peace.
Okay, country people them, we don't almost run out for time, but we get case for people that they don't lose. Make we try for turn back on top that chapter. We get case for people that they don't lose with their photo they enter we hand this afternoon. We get that photo for lost people them. We day for we house this afternoon. If we get them, then we continue. We continue for this side. Manadi, if we get the photo for people that they don't lose, we day for inside folder. We know Sabi whether we get that picture them. Yes. Now this one we are picking whether they call it say Henry Joel country people them. Now Gang Gamani if they announce say Henry Joel he don't lose and he come up for house. He never turn back. They know Sabi we go and they beg any man we don't see this picking Henry Joel 651-221-598 672-667-509 677-268-270. Na number that we wanna use them for call and help the family. Una fit take the pikin to go for gendarme or police officer dey for corner, or you bring it for Equinox Story House. They say dash. It wait any person way if it find this their pikin for them. Believe so not the only one that will get. If not the only one that will get, and also to finish story for PG News Debate for this side, so for Equinox Story House. Big thank you, Oga Ashimu, for your time. All the time, we will call you.
Okay, thank you, Ambassador, and I salute my big brother for Yaounde, Hajia, and all last man for Douala and all teachers.
All right,
salute them.
Teacher must salute Kombi them. And I want to say thank you to Gwen Nathaniel, Naya Baptism for Fire. But we sabi say we will get plenty time to talk with you for this side.
Thank you, plenty, Ambassador. I want to talk say you particularly do wonderful work. When I sit down on my house, I dey follow you. When I dey for place where I dey work, I dey follow you. That means say I don't come for the first one I ask for you and say you dey work now how? Because if you don't see for TV, you hear for radio or you hear for Facebook. That means what they are small fun for how if you know things will happen for inside outside of Cameroon. So what we do, Ambassador, only God could bless you.
Amen.
We just talk say me give more strength, continue for that way. And I want to take this time for salute all man we there for that side for Uku. I want to salute all teachers them for Mount Sinai Anglo-Saxon Nigerian Primary School there for that side for Mboku. Okay. My boss and all man they talk say me all man they fine.
All right. Now in that for this PG News Debate, country people them, I would remind teacher them for young Presbyterian them say as we they start Gando for Sunday, right Reverend Funky Samuel don't talk. May they respect Corona day, wash your hand, it must today, bucket them water, hand sanitizer and masks. Una fit look the program on Sunday for 8:30. Me I go turn back if Papa go degree for Monday. Una hold am tight.